Good morning, class. Welcome to the Clarified Better Academy. Today let us talk about food safety and potentially hazardous food. Although any food can get contaminated if not stored or processed appropriately, some food require extra care. We call them potentially hazardous food.
Oh chef, like you mean, items like meat and products that take longer to cook?
Yes, Jay. Nice. But even some other food items can become potentially dangerous if not taken care.
So what can be some typical examples of food that can become unsafe?
So certain food we all know. Food that contain high amount of protein. However, we need to be careful of items that have historically been involved in illness either due to its processing or production methods.
Yes chef, once I visited a farm and saw what you mean.
Yes, some farm-based products like rough skin melon and spinach also have been involved in food-borne illness in the past. The other items that can become hazardous are items with high amount of moisture. For example, baked or boiled potato.
I have also heard that sprouts and seeds can also sometimes cause illness.
Yes, it is possible. So the major category of hazardous food are food high in protein, moisture content and items that are processed wrongly.
So if we take care of handling these items, foodborne illness can be prevented.
Yes, you are right. By following the HACCP method of production, you can generally keep food safe. Next week we will be in class the whole week and cover food safety topics. Make sure you attend. Do subscribe to the channel and visit clarifiedbetter.com to learn more courses about the hotel industry.